Good morning. Welcome back. We are now discussing the derivation of an expression for the core pressure of a star. Let us consider the star to be spherically symmetric with the linear density variation given by the expression rho equals rho c into 1 minus r by r, where rho is the density which is at a distance r from the core or from the center, and rho c is the density at the core of the star. For the star to be in hydrostatic equilibrium, the pressure gradient is given by this expression dp by dr equals minus g m dash rho by r square, or otherwise dp equals minus gm dash rho by r square into dr. We know that dm equals rho into dv, or that is 4 pi r square rho into dr. That will be equal to 4 pi r square into, for rho we have rho c into 1 minus r by r into dr, or m dash is obtained by integrating this relation, where m dash is mass of the innermost part of the star. We have considered three circles in the previous slides, and this is radius capital R whose mass is capital M, the total mass of the star of radius capital R, and this innermost circle represents m dash, its mass is m dash and its radius is small r, and the second circle represents the mass of the cloud, gas cloud, which is added, that is dm, and the thickness of the shell is dr. So you can see here this one, dm is the mass of the shell or mass of the gas cloud which is added to m dash, right? And therefore m dash is obtained by integrating this between the limits 0 to r, 4 pi r square rho c into 1 minus r by r. So simplifying, we get 4 pi rho c into integral 0 to r square is multiplied to this, we get r square minus r cube by capital R into dr. So on integration, we get 4 pi rho c into r cube by 3 minus r cube by 4r. Substituted the limits of integration, we get 4 pi rho c into r cube by 3 minus r cube by 4r. Therefore m dash is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube rho c into 1 minus 3r by 4r. In this expression, we took r cube by 3 as common. And this is equation 3, which represents mass of the innermost circle that I have shown in the previous slide. Total mass of the star is obtained by substituting small r is equal to capital R. When small r becomes capital R, then m dash becomes m. Therefore m is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, 4 by 3 pi capital R cube into rho c into 1 minus 3 by 4. Capital R by capital R gets cancelled. 1 minus 3 by 4 is just 1 by 4. 4 gets cancelled here. Therefore capital M is equal to pi r cube rho c by 3. Therefore rho c is equal to 3m by pi r cube. This is the expression for the core density of the star. Now we have dp equals minus gm dm. So here we have the expression for dp. dp equals minus gm dash rho by r square into dr. So it is minus g, m dash is this, rho is this by r square into dr. Right? Now simplifying, we get minus 4 pi g rho c square by 3 into r square. R cube gets cancelled with r square, therefore it is r into 1 minus 3r by 4r into 1 minus r by r into dr. It is therefore equal to minus 4 pi g rho c square by 3, which is a constant, and on multiplying these three terms, we get r minus 7r square by 4r plus 3r cube by 4r square into dr. And this is the expression for dp. Hence, we can obtain pressure at any point inside the star by integrating equation number 5 between the limits of integration capital R to small r. Capital R is the lower limit of integration and small r is the upper limit of integration, because at capital R, that is on the surface, the pressure is least. As we go deeper into the star, the pressure increases, right? Therefore, therefore capital R to small r is the limit of integration. 4 minus 4 pi g rho c square by 3 is constant, which is kept out of the integral limits, and within the integral limits it is small r minus 7r square by 4 into capital R plus 3r cubed by 4r square dr. And on integrating this, we get minus 4 pi g rho c square by 3 into r square by 2 minus 7r cubed by 12r plus 3r power 4 by 15 or 16r square. Substituting the limits of integration. First we have substituted the upper limit of integration, and we have substituted the lower limit of integration. And substituting the lower limit of integration and simplifying, we get minus 5 r square by 48. Minus 5 r square by 48 is nothing but this one. It is minus of the upper limit of integration, r square by 2 minus 7 r square by 12 minus 7 r square by 12 plus 3 r square by 16, 3 r square by 16, 3 r square by 16. And on simplifying these three terms, we get minus 5 r square by 48, right? Minus 5 r square by 48. But we know that rho c square is 9 m square by pi square r power 6. On substituting for rho c square in the above expression, we get P equals minus 4 pi g by 3 into rho c square is 9 m square by pi square r power 6 into this. This is the expression for the pressure at any point inside the star, which is at a distance small r from the center of the star. Now, at the center of the star, small r becomes 0 and P becomes P. Therefore, Pc is equal to, when small r becomes 0, all these three terms will be eliminated, and therefore it is minus 4 pi g by 3, 9m square by pi square r power 6 into this term. So you can say here, into the last term. So on simplifying, we get, it goes 4 times, r square gets cancelled with this, and therefore Pc is equal to minus 5g by 4 pi into m square by r power 4. This is the expression for the core pressure of a star, where m is the mass of the star and capital R is its radius. Thank you.